In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Dropbox to ChatGPT. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have Dropbox linked to ChatGPT, so you can seamlessly reference files without juggling tabs. We'll keep it simple and clear, and I'll point out a few tips along the way to avoid common hiccups. Start inside the ChatGPT app or web interface. Look down to the bottom left corner and click your profile icon. This opens a small menu where you'll select Settings. The Settings panel is where ChatGPT lets you manage preferences, features, and, in our case, integrations. In Settings, find the section labeled Apps. This is the hub for connecting third-party services. Open it, then choose either Explore Apps or Add More, depending on what you see. Both options take you to the same catalog of available integrations. At the top of that catalog, you'll find a search bar. Click into the search field and type Dropbox. You should see the Dropbox app appear in the results with a Connect button. Go ahead and click Connect to start the linking process. From here, simply follow the on-screen instructions. A new window may open, prompting you to sign in to your Dropbox account and to review the permissions ChatGPT is requesting. Read the prompt, make sure you're comfortable with what's being shared, and then approve to continue. Don't close the window while it's working. The connection usually finalizes within a few seconds. Once it's done, the Dropbox tile should indicate that it's connected, and you can return to ChatGPT. That's it. The integration is complete. From now on, when a feature or workflow supports it, you'll be able to pull in files from Dropbox directly within ChatGPT, which can save time and keep everything in one place. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. If you don't see an Apps section in Settings, try refreshing the page or updating to the latest version of the app. Some features roll out gradually and may depend on your plan or region. If the Connect button doesn't respond, check if your browser is blocking pop-ups or third-party cookies, since the authorization window may need them. If you use a work or school Dropbox account, your organization might require admin approval for new integrations, so keep that in mind. And if you ever want to review or remove the connection, you can manage it from the same Apps area in Settings later on. You're all set. Enjoy the streamlined workflow of having Dropbox connected to ChatGPT.